Hello everyone, today we have with us the legendary Suresh Venkat sir, ex-CNBC Tech Director, Anchorman and Communications Expert.
Hi, you're watching Digital Disruptors. I'm in conversation with Srikanth Velamakandi, founder CEO of Fractal.
Now, you know Tech Toys, it's a very serious show about very serious technology. Every week we bring you one brand new aspect of technology, and usually we're very grimly serious about all of this.
And a very serious personality. Today we are going to talk about a serious topic.
No. Very serious topic.
Very serious topic. That don't be serious.
Open Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style.
Very serious.
Very serious. Very serious.
This is always serious.
So today we have with us Suresh Venkat sir. So hello sir.
Hello.
Today I'll be doing things which generally you do with other people, asking questions.
Come on.
So as a salesperson, what do you think? How can I start conversation or ask questions so that the conversation lasts longer, engaging and fruitful?
I would say as a salesperson, the first thing you should not do is don't start selling right away. Most people like to hear a good story and they'll always give you a clue. I saw cricket matches today, I went out for Hyderabadi biryani yesterday, I went out with my wife and my girlfriend yesterday, something they'll say. So don't directly say, but here's my product or service.
No.
So ask about the wife, girlfriend, biryani. So people like to buy things from people they like.
That's
So
wonderful.
nobody likes aggressive sales. You should do soft selling.
Okay, got it. So I think I have to build emotional connection first with
Correct.
the customer. Okay, and now in general talking about like you hosted the show Tech Toys earlier, like around 14 years ago, right? And I observed one thing, like at that time, सल्लू भाई की मूवी आई थी बॉडीगार्ड, and at that time आपने वो जो टेक प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाने थे, उसमें you tried to merge that movie कि
With all
साइबर
that tech that can guard you.
Yes, कि हाँ साइबर सिक्योरिटी वाला स्टफ कि ये आपका बॉडीगार्ड है. Also with that at that time Gangnam Style song came and you like boom. So is there any interesting story? Like उस टाइम पे किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि हम इन चीज़ों को ऐसे टेक प्रोडक्ट्स में दिखा सकते हैं. So is there any story behind that or you just came up with that idea?
So the context is that CNBC TV18 is a news channel.
Okay.
So and the world of tech should not be too separated from the world of news. So something happens in the world, either in the world of business news, in the world of entertainment news, music news, movie news. If you relate that to whatever you're doing, then audiences who may or may not like tech, but they like the movie or they like that will relate to this. So even in day-to-day conversation, it's good to reference something that happened recently, yesterday, today. It also shows that you're sharp and you keep your mind alert to what's going on in the world around you. So you're not living in your bubble. So the trick is to pull things from outside influences and let it influence your core drivers.
That's really a wonderful thing because at that time लोगों को टेक का इतना नॉलेज भी नहीं था, तो आप अगर ऐसे मूवी के रेफरेंस से उनको समझाते हो, so it becomes
आसान हो जाता है.
easier for them also to get that stuff, and it's really wonderful. And I don't know if I have seen any anchor or any host who is as energetic as you are and the way you carry that Gangnam Style wala. So I would really like to relive that moment with you and
Let's do it.
recreate that stuff.
We're extremely serious about technology on this show.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Open Gangnam Style.
All right. All the best.
Thank you so much.